first at 6 scandal at the sheriff's office.
The 7 investigators have learned that Wayne County sergeants and corporals may have broken the law inside the jail.
Some have already been suspended, but that could be the least of their worries.
7 investigator Ross Jones is here now with what he's learned. Ross?
Hey, Glenda, good evening. 6 employees of the Wayne County Sheriff's Office could go from working in the county's jail to living in it. 4 corporals and 2 sergeants at the sheriff's office are facing possible criminal charges over their conduct inside Wayne County's jails. The 6 sheriff's employees, we've learned, are being investigated for theft of inmate property and time card fraud. And right now, the Wayne County prosecutor's office confirms it's reviewing whether to bring charges. Sources inside the sheriff's office tell us the employees are alleged to have taken property that belonged to jail inmates and was handed over during the intake process. Items that included a laptop and cell phones. Items that are never picked up go to the county's annual surplus auction. But in this case, it appears the property was taken.
No one is above the law, and people must have confidence.
Willie Bell spent more than 30 years in law enforcement for the Detroit Police Department and says any theft by officers, big or small, erodes confidence in law enforcement.
The public trust, it deteriorates behind that type of misconduct.
And while the sheriff's office was investigating the possible theft, we've learned they also ran across suspected time card fraud. While the prosecutor decides on whether to bring charges, 4 of the 6 employees have been suspended and 2 others have been reassigned.
It's a matter of trust, because if you engage in something minor, it might be something serious down the line.
Now, we aren't naming the officers involved here because as of today, they have not been charged with anything. Once Kim Worthy's office makes a decision on whether or not to bring charges, the sheriff's office will decide what sort of administrative action to take, which could include termination. Glenda?
All right, Ross, thank you.